megalayapost.news.
Nadu kinu ilam karanti football club bat ki hybrid ki bahapo karta ka bakhat sausnam kilapan pau ya gajingkemen banyole chimenta hak international ibakam arhajar arfun rio kabala long hakari Portugal kani ke ibakam kala sedang nadu ka arfundai tarik ujelio patkan kut hadu ka san tarik unaitung arhajar arfun rio kumban penken mau kani kala bandai ka sien ka baningkong baka kenhun ki hybrid na ka jela Meghalaya kilayo ban chimenta hak ibakam babon ki kenhun na kiri ka perthai kilawan ban chimenta hakani ka ibakam Kumbalaya tu daw CEO karanti football club uba Everest Mersing laong bakal long shisha ka ba ki hebren ban ya airang bat kiwe ki kenhun ka perthai ki bla pentbet bha ha ka kamile kai football barwala ka taru ki hebret ki jong karanti football club kim shem la kan randian bat kila persang ban sayela ki sap ki phong ka ba ki don ulai turu baka kenhun under 14 jong karanti FC ka ha ban ya khun ya kiwe ki kenhun bala tebet jong ka perthai kum ka Brazil ka Spain bat kiwe de ki bala biang bha ka shlam ajeng hikai habayanu jor bat karanti football club ka badang duna bha hakaliang keslam ajeng hikai nadu CEO karanti berwat ki hebret ki bla leche menta ki lapan pau bah ka wai ka benta ki sngukya baswa bandai chakum ki te ki lempung kim semlayo ya jeng kai pentbet kumbalong ki wai ki kenhun na ki ri ka perthai henre ka wai pat ka benta ki pen pau ba ki sngukmen pan banyo ya kum kani ka kabu banyo ya aireng bat ki wai ki kenhun ki bla biang bha hakar kom ajeng hikai hakaliang ka football ki lapan pau ru compare la job neram henre kani ka dei kum ka jing sedang banyo shimenta hakum kini ki lempung ile kai football ka bahe ha ka perthai bat ki khmi lentiru banang ni sakmat kinang la ban pentbet baru ban tep yakir komile kai daga jingyo mat ban ya airang ya kiken hun kibla tebet ha ka kamile kai football shishu na kalyang karanti football club bat ki hybrid kilapan pau ya kijing sangungu ya ka sarkar Meghalaya menteri rang ba ka jela Konrad ke sangma sports minister ma wailat miki shla uba AL hang bat adelbo nangrum kum ki MLA kibala ala rangkat kijing kerku kerdo jongki bakani ka kanhun kala yolat ban wanshim menta hakani ka ibakop hari Portugal
Bad Raj, come on.
Bagat sai ngalakai kapsion striker buat ngasok pemain ba main tap gol na ai mo play
agat teng babila do tedam ngalakai position left wing bangayo tap ya ka Brazil kani ka jing tap jonga ka long ka ba Croatia na play ba kani ka jing tap jonga ka long di team ba apa ba ki ka thai ka mental mas ngulung ba jing ilang coach ka long ka jing to yang ba yo ba ban create ka future jonga kan wan ka future ka babiang lai ka jing ka jonga pat kulish
pan ngale kai kum center midfielder bat ngas ngogo you play bulala ban dekat bat ni kani kapo bat ni lala ba ban ya le kai sini sha Portugal wala dangi ram ru play udah kita bat ni bat ngindang ya trash tam bat nakaliang jonga ningkong bat nga ai ko be jeki coach ki bala trash tam ai bat men siam bat yengi kum ki player balaya communicate lang tangkatai
Alex Ferry ngai mo yung nong play wo ba thao ya but kam taw lu ai play ya kan ti sport club wan ya lam ya section ni kabangi kendo ba ka wai ka club ka ba tebet kendo ba ka Brazil Spain ka Portugal kamta ngaso kuman ba nilai kendo ba ka Brazil wan la ngiram lu ngaso namar ba ngiaret pelan tangkai
sanang sedap ada kai karanti ada kai position defense yang setenar dengan kai solusionis Portugal bat nila ada kai kat totally team kedua bat ini new experience kumna kilek kai bat niru improve ba hiru di kuat ba in kampus kemat bandan kai academy la jong ko Meghalaya India
Dan you compare ya kai isko jongki kalong ka level ngila stu bahaba ki kena sini ada under 18 or under 14 ni kena nas tingi hap panera kembaki under 18 19 ndai lara ngi kom ada ngi wara kaju ke i sini ngimum la daleleru bat ngasutu hi kini kena kasi jongi bawan ya le ka sini o ai kala de ka wei na platform ka ba ke ba man compete bat kini kamte ka kam ka masuk ki haban sutu nangis kamat ba ni kena irit pelat gaba karen yang joki kena kini pat he under 14 lagi compare nasti lagi warna ada squad under 18 bat ni siap player under 14 buat kalah kadang ke level bat ngasutu bahaba ni kerpat ka sorkar celah hapo jadi lambi sorkarat ni ibai lairap yang ikat ni yang aku beri syukur ni sorkarat aku beri syukur bat kaptam ya isar wilat ni celah ibalong e-sport minister ibala ai bat ni sien ya ka renti bat kala along ke jingkar kuba yang ni ki player khasi tu ni kadi ke platform ki sutu ela jong ka karya ka bae bat kum ka klub pat ni kerpat na ka sorkar bala ra yo kum ka di facilities training ground lightly nang tang yo training ground nang tang di stand ko kita ni yo ban train ban nurture mut ban compete bat ini ni dong kam ke facility and infrastructure haka state ke jongi nomor ba Larang imton kini numla ban compete nomor ba ni dong kam ban train ki de snem kanang bala ban bit ikini bat ngasutu ba ya kan ni ko competition kam de kam basuk ban ngin lam taki na miklia jongi kelong ki kam duna karenya hindai ka skill kidon deng ni mentang kum ka klub marba ngimton kalau ka fon ka babiang na ka klub hindai ni sukar pat bitang ka sorkar ni kemen baka sorkar under the leadership i kanratsa ibala asyim ya kini initiative ringkat lang bat isar welet ni yo tikurku pat ling ba jokan ni sa sukru kum ka klub barang ni kemat larang kwa ban kum kini ki competition ni do kami ka fon jong kanang bangila ban sei da ki player ki bebit ki beken sai na sutru ba larang kwa ban lig yang kum kini type of competition ni do kabar khoi ka India ban yo ka trial kanang bangila ban wanra the best squad. So as a CEO of the club Renti, what message you will give to the people of the Meghalaya, especially you experience so much of experience from this IBA Cup?
I'm grateful to God and also to the government of Meghalaya, our Honorable Chief Minister and also Sports Minister Wailat Miki Shilla, and also Ba'el Hek and all the friends and well-wishers, especially the parents and also the boys. I have come all the way from India and from Meghalaya to see and witness the spirit of football in Portugal. If our boys who are also having the same skill, though we are small in our stature, but they have proved that we are able to play football in Portugal. Only thing is that we need better infrastructure and we need better experience with some experienced coaches and also the platforms, the infrastructure that will boost them and will give them. Though we have the skills, our power, our energy is not matching with them. If we take one step or 2 steps or 5 steps, but the people out here with their heights, with their body structure, if they take 1 step is equal to 5 steps. So I think this is an eye-opening that we have experienced and we have learned a lot. And I think we need this kind of academies. Wherever we go, we could see in this Portugal. But the thing is that I think the future of our state, the future of our country, India as well, we need good sports academies and also infrastructure. That this kind of IBA Cup competitions in the country has to be organized, and also we should select the best to bring them up and also to take them into any kind of tournament like IBA Cup or any other tournaments in the world. So this is what my humble appeal and message, that we Indians also, we have the skills. Only thing is that we need right selection, right infrastructure and right leadership, that we will be able to perform and prove that we too, we are having the same spirit of football, and also we can play and we can prove ourselves that we can beat the other teams in the world as well. Thank you.
MeghalayaPost.news